Hey guys, tracking a Remitly reference number is very easy. And today, I'm going to show you how to do it step by step. So let's get started. So first, open Google Chrome and go to the Remitly website. So Remitly is a US-based platform that allows you to send money internationally with low or no fees. So if you don't have an account yet, click on sign up. Enter your email address and create a password. So make sure that the password is at least 8 characters. Then select your country. After that, click the Join Us button to finish creating your account. So once you're logged in, you'll see several sections on the website like Send Money, Transfer History, and Refer Friends. To update your profile, move your cursor to the Welcome option in the top right corner and select Settings. From here, you can fill in your profile information such as your name, email, phone number, and the countries you send money to and from. You can also manage notifications and add recipients in the appropriate tabs. Next, go to the Payment Method section to link your card or bank account. You can also set privacy choices according to your preference. Now, here's the main part. To track your Remitly reference number, click on Transfer History tab at the top of the page. Click on All Transfer to see every transaction you've made, each with its reference number. The In Progress tab will show transfers that are currently being processed. The Delivered tab shows all the transactions that have already been completed. You may not see anything if you haven't made any transfers yet, but once you do, the details will appear here. To the right side, you'll also find an option to view up to 10 transactions per page, and you can even download your transfer history for your records. And that's it. That's how you can track your Remitly reference number and view all your transaction history. Thanks for watching!